whether you're new to the reef aquarium hobby or you've been in it for a while, then you probably know exactly what a frag rack is. Now, a frag rack is what we use to organize our different coral frags. We use it to acclimate corals to our reef tank, or we just have a reef tank that's overflowing in corals, so we add frag rack to get additional corals. Now, frag racks are also what you see at coral conventions and coral shows like Reefapalooza, where each vendor has their corals on display. Now, I like to review a lot of products on this channel, so I was excited to see that Oceanbox Designs released a brand new frag rack called the PolyRok, and it comes with a lot of added benefits. I jumped on it right away during the pre-release and I ordered it, and I have the set here today. So in today's video, we're gonna take a look at what I believe to be the best frag rack. Okay, so here is the package right here that we have. So let's go ahead and open it up. So, real simple. Oh, look at that. We got stickers, nice Oceanbox sticker. We got what the frag. Well, what the frag. There we go. What the frag sticker. We have another Oceanbox sticker. Awesome. And a really cool Blasto sticker. That's pretty awesome. Okay, so here is the product inside. This is the PolyRok right here. It is a Biomatrix Media, a magnetic frag rack. Now you can get the mirrored set, which is what I have right here, which comes with 2 of these mirrored on either side. But let's go ahead and open this guy up and we'll take a look at why it is so special. So pop this guy open. Let's get the scissors in here, and tell you what, the packaging is pretty solid on this. So here is the frag rack right here. Now it has 6 holes in it for 6 frag plugs, and what's really cool about this frag rack is that it is 3D printed and it has waterproof magnets on the inside here, and this is the impact resistant external magnet right here, and it's a very powerful magnet, so I got to be careful putting this back on. There you go. So this is the wet sand look. There's also a purple coralline algae look if you'd like. And this is a mirrored set. So it's the same exact thing on the other side. So we'll take this guy out in just a second. And it comes with its own exclusive special frag plugs that lock in place. So let me cut these out too. Put that down. Pull out the trusty scissors and we'll get to cutting. There we go. Pour these out right here, and here's your frag plugs. Now they have the breakaway stems right here, and the stem is what locks it in place. So if we take the frag plug holder and we put the frag plug in, push it in, and it locks. You hear it click into place right there. It's locked in the bottom. Check that out. And your coral frag is not going to go anywhere. It is locked in, and then all you have to do to get the frag out is you just push on the bottom here, and you can push it and pull it right out like that. So that in itself is a pretty awesome concept, just to have locking frag plugs that go in, and your coral's not going to fall out if you mount this upside down, or it gets tipped or moved, or you put it on its side, or I mean, the frag's not going anywhere, so that's pretty awesome. You got the OBD for Oceanbox Designs. At this point in the video, you're probably asking, why do I think this is the best frag rack? And that's because there is so much more than what you see here. Now, if you take a look underneath the frag plug, you'll notice what Oceanbox Designs is calling the Biomatrix, and this is to promote nitrifying bacteria growth to boost your biodiversity, and it's also providing a place for your copepods to seek refuge and to grow and multiply as well. Not only is your frag rack now for storing your corals or keeping your collection up and out of the way in an awesome design kind of rock pattern, but it also has a function of creating biodiversity, and copepods are able to go in and out of this biomatrix. This purposely printed design. And I think that's really, really neat. So it goes beyond just mounting corals. And not only that, I mean, you have the coral plugs that lock into place. So there's a lot that this frag rack can do. Okay, so let's talk about the size of this frag rack. Now, it's not very big. You see a lot of big frag racks out there to hold a huge collection, but maybe you don't need that in your reef tank. Maybe you only have so much room to mount these. And plus with this nice design, as you'll see once we get these in the tank side by side, you can create some pretty interesting shelves and patterns and put them in different places in your reef tank to, 1, make it look really cool, 2, organize your frags, 3, create biodiversity. And I mean, this whole thing looks very clean, very smooth, and this product has multiple functions and multiple purposes. So let's go ahead and get both of these guys set up, put them in the tank, and see what it looks like. So with this frag rack, you can position it anywhere in your reef tank, along the back glass, the side glass, against your overflow, like I did in the video. So many different ways that you can position this. And like I said, you can get the wet sand look, or you can get the purple coralline algae look. Both are really great. And I just love the functionality and the purpose behind this frag rack. So if you want to learn more about this, then go to oceanboxdesigns.com. And if you want to see another product review video, click on one of these 2 videos here, and I will see you in the next one.